so here is the before of my model, and now here is me getting started on the haircut. So the very first thing I'm doing is I'm sectioning off the top of the haircut so I can start with the sides and back. Sometimes I start at the top, sometimes I don't. In this particular case, it's one of the times that I'm starting on the sides. So I'm taking sections and basically holding my fingers in a square shape, and I'm establishing the length on the sides right now. And that length is going to be my guide to carry on to the back. So now that I've completed the right side all the way to the back center, I'm going to do the exact same thing on the left side all the way to the back center. And then once I have completed the interior layers, I'm going to work my way around the hairline. So now that I've completed the interior layering throughout the haircut on the sides and back, I'm going to basically clean up the outline. And I'm just going to work my way around the hairline, around the ear, around the back of the neck, around the other ear, to just make sure that the hairline looks nice and clean and tidy. Alright, so now it is time to chip in the outline in the back. Now, I personally like to use the tips of my scissors because it creates a softer outline. So I just go through and I kind of chip in the outline, the desired outline that I'm looking for. I mean, you could definitely use clippers as well and just create that outline. But for me, I like the effect and the look that an outline gets when you chip in the outline with the tips of your scissors. So now that I've finished completing the outline, it is time to just go through and clean up the neck hair. As you can see, I've just got my trimmers in my hand, working my way around the back of the neck just to clean up the neck hair. It is now time to cut the top, and as you can see, I've just taken the clips out of the hair, and I'm utilizing my fingers to blend in the sides and back with the top. Now, the sides and back have already been cut, so those lengths on the sides and back are my guide to how I'm going to blend in the top. Now, once I've blended in the top to the sides and back, I will go ahead and comb the top straight up so I can layer the top into my desired length that I'm going for. Alright, now one of the things that I like to do is cross-check the layers of a haircut utilizing scissor over comb. Now, I'm not taking length off, so the hair is not getting shorter. I'm simply just dusting off the ends so that the inconsistencies that happen when you cut someone's hair through your fingers becomes consistent. By utilizing scissor over comb, I can just dust off the tiny inconsistencies to make sure that that haircut flows perfectly. So it is now time to layer up the top of the haircut, and the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to create some square layers at the top by holding my fingers in a square shape. So as you can see, I'm taking sections and combing the hair straight up. And basically, by combing the hair straight up, I'm creating square layers at the top of the head, which will then be able to give my model the ability to dress his hair in many different ways. He can kind of comb it to the side, he can style it with texture, he'll have that versatility to kind of do whatever he feels from day to day. One of the things that I like to do on men's hair is I like to comb the bang/fringe straight down and establish an outline. In the event the wind blows his hair down or he comes out of the pool, there is an actual shape that's happening in the bang area. Now, he may never wear his hair down, but in the event it goes down, it's not going to look wispy and stringy. All right, so now one of my favorite techniques is the twist technique to give the hair some texture. So as you can see, I'm simply just twisting the hair and cutting pieces of the hair out to create that texture on top so that he can dress his hair with texture if he chooses to, or like we mentioned before, have the versatility to just comb it over. It's just nice because it gives him the ability to have that versatility when he goes to style his hair. All right. Now, we are done with the haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.